Diagnostic trouble codes P0447, P0448, and P0449 all signify a problem within the vehicle's evaporative emission system vent valve solenoid circuit, which is responsible for capturing and storing fuel vapors. P0447 specifically indicates an open circuit, meaning there is a break in the electrical path often caused by a disconnected plug or broken wire. P0448 denotes a short circuit, where electricity is bypassing its intended route, frequently due to damaged wire insulation or a faulty internal solenoid. Finally, P0449 represents a general circuit malfunction, a broader code triggered when the engine control module detects that the vent valve solenoid is not operating within its expected electrical parameters, often resulting in an illuminated check engine light and potential emissions test failure. Here are two simple DIY methods that you can try to solve these problems. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with the correct model gas cap. Method B, the charcoal canister. Most fuel vapor canisters can be located on the driver's side of the vehicle close to the rear tire. First, carefully remove the charcoal canister from your car. Locate the fuel pillar. Inject water from the fuel pillar to clean the charcoal canister through. Reinstall the charcoal canister back in your car once it gets dried. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below, our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.